So take a look, however long we've been on, and there's the completed product. Boom. You can see it on the tiny camera. I'm gonna move this stuff around, show you on the big camera. But boom, there she is. All her finished glory. That's what we built today, guys. That's what's gonna be doing all the streaming from now on. No more heat issues. Boom. Let's turn it on, see what happens, right? Well, this will only take a second to grab the monitor and keyboard, but it's what I gotta grab. So there's all that. Set that over there. We'll use these here in a little while. Big ass thing of cable ties. Okay, so there's that part. Monitor. Thank you, Lightning. Always appreciate your words of encouragement, man. Okay, so now we gotta hook everything up. Should only take a second. HDMI. HDMI. Ooh, and it went in nice and smooth. Sometimes you'll get a case and those things will be flimsy as hell and just not as nice looking. Alright, HDMI in. Here's the plug. RS monitor. There we go. Keys and mouse. Can't get into a BIOS without a keyboard. Difficult to install the Windows operating system without a mouse. So we need one of each at least. There's the keys. It's just a shitty keyboard. I didn't get anything special. I literally, by the way, found it in a box at a free yard sale from a church. A church got all this stuff donated to them. They had this box. I only wanted the speakers. I was going to give them $5 for the speakers. No, I was going to give them $2 for the speakers. And she was like, well, can't you take the whole box? See what else was in there? I said, fuck it. Took the rest of the box. Gave them $5. So far, everything works. Except for came with a wireless mouse, and that did not work. They had removed the dongle and didn't put that back in its place. Off. Okay. So this is the first point of shock. We always want to make sure. Plug it in. No shock. Good. Now you wait 10 seconds or so. On the monitor. Okay, and the reason why I have the monitor facing the mini cam is because I want to see you guys want to watch it power on for the first time too. This is the second point. This is very nerve-wracking. If you hit this switch and it pops, shit's bad. So hit the switch. Nothing popped. So far, so good. No lights came on though. There's a light on for the power button though, so I think we're doing good. Let's hit it. Might not have pushed it in far enough, but one of those is power. I know one of those is. Wait for it to turn on here. Yeah, right? Yeah, that would be my luck. All of a sudden, pop! Never turns on. Okay. So now we gotta figure out why we don't have nothing. Because it's not turning on. There's lights on. Huh. I think I might have a problem with my headers. So let's take a look. I might have broke it. It might be broke. We'll find out shortly. I don't think I did though. Normally it's just some stupid header issue. Normally. Because I didn't reference the instruction manual once during that process. So let's take a look. Okay, no fans are turning on. No BIOS code. 24 pin is in. Power button ain't doing shit. Yep. Probably header problem. So hit the switch. There you go. Grab your headers. That's got to come next. Boom. Alright, so let's take a look here. Power switch plus or minus. I think we got to swap these around and that probably will help us. It's good. Although I do kind of like the power switch lighting up like that. That is pretty cool. There we go. Let's see if that doesn't help us out. Sometimes that's all it takes. Make sure that, because if the header's not on properly, your power switch isn't going to do much of anything. You can push it a million times, it'll never turn on once. Okay, cool. Alright. Moment of truth. Pop. Okay. But it works now. Power switch actually works now. Boom. What's it say? We got something on the screen? Mouse came on. Apparently the processor's working and doing its job. Probably has an error code already. No boot loss detected. CPU memory change. Please enter setup to configure your system. Press F1. Pressed. Boom, there she is. We've made it. We've made it. It is here now. Hopefully you get to see this part. Look at that. There it is. The Intel Core i7 4790K at 4 gigs. Current CPU frequency, 4 gigahertz. That's crazy. So let's take a look. Oh, it's even a mouse-driven UEFI. Oh no, the overclock's already ready to go. Probably not going to do that. Here she is, gentlemen. Woo! Is it really 407? Is it really 4? Ah. Well, guys, I really appreciate you tuning in and watching the build and seeing some of the work that I put in for you. I appreciate you guys watching and sticking with me for as long as you have. I'm going to shut down now. Now, tomorrow's stream is going to be a pretty long stream. I'm going to start at 2, and I'm going to try and tear my way through Luigi's Mansion as much as I fucking can. If I get bored of it, I will obviously switch to Tekken. But I'm going to do my best to get through as much Luigi's Mansion as possible. So, yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. So she turned on. We got her on. Pretty much the rest of my evening is going to be spent installing an operating system and setting up OBS and getting everything ready to go, proper drivers and all that shit. So wish me luck on there. I'll give you an update tomorrow when I turn on the stream. I'll be back on tomorrow too. Really though, I do want to thank you guys for tuning in and, you know, joining our show. Sorry it took so long. But everything's in there. She's all powered up. She's on. She does what we ask. Yes! It's alive! So, I'll just figure to let you guys know. Thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna hop off here though, guys. I gotta do a little bit more shit and there's a ton of cleanup. So again, thanks for watching. My name's Name Not Taken. Hopefully you enjoyed the show. I hope to catch you tomorrow at 2 p.m. with some Luigi's Mansion and maybe a little Tekken. So, take it easy, guys. I'm gonna hop off here. Thank you again for watching. You guys are badass. Take it easy, y'all.